We will continue. Sorry for that. Kay napalong og kadali. Okay, so as I have been saying, so dili nimo ni pwede diretsohon ana, no? Kay dili man sila ma-connected ang joints. Okay, so let's say all. So kani, you have to delete this because I draw this nga gidiretso ra, no? So i-highlight nato ni using the select and unselect member, and then you're going to delete. Okay, delete members. Okay, then we do it again. So we add member, then we draw our member like that. Okay, so if you want to know the label of the members, so click on view and then member number labels, and then view node number labels. So mo ni mga designations ijang mga nodes and members. Okay, so we're ready now to put in our loading. So the upper right hand corner, this one here, so kinahanglan ang mga naka-highlight dire og unsa nga basic load case, mo na ang load nga imong i-apply dire. Okay, so we have applied the dead load, the live load. Sa bottom part wa pa day loading, no? So we highlight the member and then we put in the load. So let's say parehas ra sila 8 meters. Click OK. Okay, so we apply our wind load, and then the computation of our wind load is acting on the joint, no? So pwede ra po mag-act diri on the side as a uniformly distributed load, but we converted the uniformly into a concentrated load acting on the joint. Okay, so we click on this loading, add nodal loads. Okay, so at the roof deck from our computation, let's say the load there is, let's say 50 kilonewtons. Okay, going to the right. If the force is going to the left, you will place a negative sign before the member. So since to the right man itong load, so that's it, no? So in the lower floor, let's say the wind load computed is 60 kilonewtons. Okay, and the second floor, let's say 65 for example. Okay, then this one here is the windward load, and the leeward load, you also apply the leeward load. So let's say 13. Parehas tanan. So, ang inyong computation, may inyong basihan ani pagpatang sa mga loads. Okay, so you have there your wind load. Okay, so click again on the earthquake load. So we apply our earthquake load at the nodes. So let's say this is 300. Sorry, 300. So this one here is 370. Example. $350. Okay. So, ano yung atong mga loadings? So, complete na ta. So, earthquake load, then the wind load, and then the live load, and the dead load. Okay, so we are now ready to place the material properties. So, what is the cross-section of the members? No? So, click on Change Member Property. We highlight on the member. Okay, this one. Control lang para maka-highlight kay client ng member. And then click on the material. So what is the cross-section of your beam? So let's say this is 500 by 300, then click OK. And then your columns,